Hello everyone. We are at Edge Impulse booth at IoT World Congress in Barcelona, and we had a few moments. I wanted to just quickly show one of the demos that I was involved here. This is demo of Edge Impulse together with Codico. We are doing anomaly detection on the production line. And here I have my colleague from JMO, who's a production partner that built the hardware devices. So if you come a bit closer, I'm going to quickly explain what's going on here. So we have the downward facing camera looking at these coffee capsules and doing object detection first, and then extracting anomalies if there are any anomalies in a very high resolution way. So you can see the pixels identifying the areas that the damage might have happened. So the benefit of this algorithm that was trained in Edge Impulse is that first you need very few data. Second, you need only good data from from your production line. So you don't need to upload any anomalous data, which is normally very hard in the industrial scenarios. Now, we can have a look at the hardware. This is all running on this device. It's using less than 5% of its capabilities. This device is very capable, can connect 3 cameras, 12 megapixel. It's running based on the Qualcomm IQ6 series. Now, we have JMO designed a new fancy box together with Edge Impulse and Qualcomm Dragonwing, and we want to introduce straight and see what we have here.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for introducing us. Yeah, we are Honor here, and I want to introduce the GMO designed AI camera. You can see we have the box here, with based on the Dragonwing, the 6419, and we work with the Agent Plus, and our partner is Codico here. So here is our the Agent box is here. So you can see we have support 3 VP camera. It's the 12 max piece based on Sony sensor. And also we have HDMI out, DP, Ethernet, and the GPIO, and the power, everything's here. So you can see it's working with the camera, it's working well, it can high resolution, and it can detect very detailed defect. You can say performance is very good. And then the box.
We spilled some coffee there. Sorry, that was my coffee. Let's do some unboxing here.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have the 3 cameras here. Then this is the AG box. So you can see that's total IP66 design.
It's waterproof, yeah?
That's waterproof design. It's really good.
Yeah. So you also mentioned this is fanless. So in
This is
industrial
fanless.
scenarios, you normally don't want to have a fan because
Yeah.
it's a risk. This is because of the Qualcomm's low power design.
Yeah.
It is able to run without any fan. So